Alright guys, so time check 3:45 in the afternoon, Dubai time. Ito, metro station. Okay, kung galing ka ng Murakabat, police station, so ito yung road na dadaanan mo. So ito yung isang way towards Sharjah. Okay guys, so pakita ko muna sa inyo to. And then after this, saan ba tayo pupunta? Doon sa kinuha na natin, or doon sa pinagdala natin ng alloy wheels, yung magre-realignment doon para maayos siya. Then later on we're going to pay him. Tignan natin kung magkano yung total cost nun. Ngayon hindi ko na siya binidyo yung regarding kung paano siya gawin, kasi merong mga special tools na dapat doon. So tayo kung saan lang pwede pumunta para mag-fix nun, at magkano yung bayad, at magkano yung gastos, at anong way. Okay, change lane. Check muna. Yan. Okay, so ayun, doon sa mga tropa natin dyan sa Dubai that who's looking for a good garage here in Sharjah, ENG ang ipaulo nyo, at tuturuan ko kayo kung saan talaga makakakuha ng mga magagandang parts and use OEM, lahat yan. Tapos sa area yung mga cheap garage na pwede yung pupuntahan, pero yung mga hindi mga Pinoy, mga ibang lahi, Indian, Pakistan. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong BMW road, rims, alloy wheels, kahit ano-ano pa yung bumper, front, etc. Yan. Diba? Ganun lang eh, pare, mga topak ko dyan eh. Siyempre, isi-share natin sa inyo yung mga dapat yung punta. If you're Indian, Pakistani, or any other kind of nationality who's watching my video, so take BMW road, tapos diretso lang. Ito namang road na to, kita nyo yan, yung road na to nasa likod ko, yan, yung road na yan, towards Sahara yan, Sahara Center. Okay, so madali lang siyang puntahan guys. And let us see kung ano yung magkano babayaran natin doon. Alright guys, thank you very much. ENG 10 minutes na yung video ko. Grabe. So hope you like it. Punta muna tayo doon. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Woohoo! We are here guys. We are here. Alright, so tignan natin kung anong nilabasan ito. Natin kung maayos ba to, na alignment ba to. O nga pala, kailangan ni alignment to. So I will call this guy now. Tawagan ko muna si my friend. Alloy wheel fixing. Calling him now, calling him. Yan, tinatawagan natin. Tingnan natin kung nagre-ring. Hello, brother. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, my friend.
Good afternoon. I'm here already.
You wait, my friend. Wait. Need some time more, maybe 1 hour.
Ah, 1 hour more?
Yeah, 1 hour more.
Oh. Oh, I will wait here. Alas.
Come inside.
Okay. Thank you. So, according to him, we have to wait 1 hour more. Alas 4, so alas 5. I have a class for driving, mechanical class. Meron din ako. So, let us see na lang, tingnan natin mamaya. Okay? Okay. So, 1 hour pa raw eh. Maghintay pa tayo. Isang oras pa. Kaya po ko sit sa office para dun sa AC. Pero pwede rin, kunin ko muna yung mobile ko habang naghihintay. Alright? Meron na ako naging vlog dito regarding dun sa area industrial. Gagawin ko na lang part by part na lang siguro sa video. Masyadong matraffic nga kasi alas 4 pa lang. It's only 4 o'clock sa afternoon. Kami rito. Diba? Ayos ba? Alright. ENG Live. Europe Studio. Shoutout na sa mga tropa natin. Shoutout to JC De La Cruz, Gap Bagaporo, Mark, Tony T. Shoutout to you, my friend. Woo! Welcome to Sharjah. Tapos yung tropa natin na nasa langit ngayon. Woo! We miss you, bro. We miss you. Diba okay? Dito okay? Ito ba magandang view? Kasi kanina dito sa isa madilim eh. So dito ba okay? Ito pangit. So dito. Yan. Okay, so guys, ito ang aking killer tips for today. Salamat muna, unang-una salamat sa pagpapanood nyo ng aking YouTube channel. Yung meron akong quick vlog dyan, how to purchase used and brand new tires made from China. So makita nyo magkano yung presyo. And then now what you have to do is you have to know how to bargain. You have to ask discount, you have to ask better price. So you make sure your bargaining skills, okay? Yung bargaining skills kailangan, importante yan. So make sure. And then second is you have to check 4-5 shops para if you ever to compare the price and ask who is the better seller and good customer service most especially. Alright guys, so yun ang aking payo sa inyo. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Ian G. Santos. Alright, yan. Mag-subscribe kayo ha. Then, ano pa? Yun, yung ads. Do not skip the ads, alright guys? Do not skip. Huwag nyo i-skip yung ads ng aking YouTube channel. So, yung small gesture lang, small support. Ito, nasa likod natin, 4 Audi. Ayan, yung Audi yan, Audi. Good car. Alright, bye-bye! Yun, alright. Additional, meron tayong bagong tropa dito. Ayan, oh. What's your good name, brother?
My name is Kajal.
Sanjan, so what you are doing?
Here, me in charge.
In charge in
service and
fixing, mechanical, engine.
All work heavier.
All work, huh?
Yeah.
So what's the name of the shop again?
This company name Sindbad.
Sindbad, huh? I will send the location later on do sa description.
Industrial area to Sharjah.
Sharjah, yan. So I will send the link. Later on I have already video, okay?
Yes,
so
sir.
before that, you have to subscribe in my YouTube channel, huh?
Okay.
Alright, bye-bye guys!
Balancing, no? Me balancing computer, not
Okay. Sige. Anyway, no problem. So, yeah, cup. This one, how to remove this?
remove this one, no problem.
How to remove? Chemical?
My friend, what you need will come. Me make everything. Don't worry. For denting, painting, mechanic, ring, everything.
Yeah, okay.
Clean also. What you need? Tell me.
Yeah, this one, remove rim and cleaning this
No
one. No?
problem. You will come here. Me clean everything. After fix, after make balance.
Okay. So how much total this one? How much price I need to pay?
4 rim paint?
No, now. I'll pay, no?
300 gram. 4 rim.
Huh?
300.
Which one?
4 rim.
Oh.
Clean and paint and balancing.
Okay.
Or you need only clean this one, I make free, no problem.
Yeah, clean, better. Now?
Not now, now don't have time. You make
Okay. So how much?
I tell you morning time.
Okay, so now how much I pay?
Huh?
How much I pay?
I tell you no morning time.
Discount, no? Give me 50 dirham.
My friend, I tell you 180.
No. This one, 50 dirham only. 50 dirham. Give me 50. I come back, no? I show this one also, no?
I give you 5 dirham.
Huh?
I take 160.
Yeah. So this 35, huh?
I give you more 5 dirham. Now give.
No, 15 dirham, no?
My friend, too much down.
Woo! Grabe. Di ba? Talagang taga, kailangan dadaling ka rito, may barya kayo. Kung wala kayong barya, talas. Pero anyway, hopefully maganda naman siya. Kaso hintay lang tayo na medyo matagal, mga 2 hours pa. So let us see kung anong gagawin natin ditong option pa. So ang presyo, total cost, mamaya hintay natin. So nagbigay tayo ng 200. So bibigyan daw tayo ng change na 40. So 160 plus yung balancing. Pag pinabalance natin to 20 dirham. So total cost 180. So ayan, 180 yung cost. Kasi doon sa kaibigan ko sa balancing 20 dirham yung charge niya eh. 160?
Only for you.
Only for me, ah?
Yeah. You know, only tire open and fixing will take 20 dirham.
Okay.
No profit.
Okay. But anyway, inshallah I come back, okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, brother.
Okay, G. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, assalamualaikum. So, okay na, tapos na. Abot pa ba tayo dun sa class natin? Woo! Grabe. 2 hours waiting. Alright, so ayun, thank you very much guys for watching my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Ian G. Santos signing off. God bless you all. Woo! See you soon sa aking next video. Alright, Ian G.